thought I'd give a quick update as to what I've been doing today for the village. So I worked on creating a hill to go in front of the ski chalet. I do have a little bit more carving that I want to do to it, but for the most part, I'm liking how it's looking so far. Then for the new platform here, I cut styrofoam to go on each of the levels. I'm trying to decide how I want to cover this new platform up. There's a lot more openness to this one than there is to the mountain platform pieces. And then over here, I worked on creating an end cap to the train tunnel. It's still wet, and I have an idea to take it a little bit farther than what it is right now. So I'm gonna let that dry, and then probably tomorrow start on that next step of it. I did have to cut into that end mountain piece that I carved yesterday. So not a lot, but it did take me quite a while to get this accomplished.